If you like to have a flower or something alive on your office desk, the wheatgrass is the perfect thing for you to grow. It is very simple and does not need much care. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to grow wheatgrass. For this you will only need wheat seeds, some soil, aluminum can, and of course, water. First of all, take the seeds and place them inside a container. Fill it with water and let the seeds soak for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, drain the water and leave the seeds for about 16 hours. Repeat the first steps 3 times. In the meantime, take the aluminum can and cut it in half. Then, cut as shown on the picture and bend the cuttings inside the can so that there will not be any sharp parts outside. Make some holes on the bottom of the can for drainage. You should get something like this. Take some soil and fill half of the can with it. Press the soil lightly and water it thoroughly. After the procedure with the seeds have been repeated 3 times, place them inside the aluminum can. Take a piece of newspaper and cut it so that you can put it inside. Then, water it thoroughly. On the 5th day, you can observe that the seeds have germinated. After the seeds have germinated, I observed that there are too many seeds in the can, so I prepared another aluminum can and divided the seeds. Do not forget to water the seeds daily. On the 6th day, the wheatgrass has started to grow. On the 7th day, the wheatgrass is much bigger. On the 21st day, the wheatgrass is ready to be cut so that it will have a better appearance. From 2 cans, we got a handful of wheatgrass. The best part of the wheatgrass is that after you cut it, on the 2nd day, it already starts to grow back and have a nice appearance. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.